Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to print Excel sheet horizontal page. So let's start. So this is my Excel and here you can see I have here data. So this data I'm going to print in horizontal page. So just click on the file tab, then click on the print option and here you can see the preview of the print. The second way you just press the Control P to print preview. Okay. After that, just click on the page setup option and here the page setup dialog box is open. Okay. In page setup, just click on the margins tab. In margins, you can see the preview of page and here the horizontally options. When you click on this option, see the slightly changes over here and see here this page margins. After that, when I click on OK, the data will adjust in horizontal. Just click on OK and that's it. See? So this is the way you can print the Excel sheet horizontally pages. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.